Good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video on a 1966 Pontiac GTO Convertible. Now, this car is finished in its original color of Mareno Red, black interior, bucket seats, power steering, power brakes, factory rally Pontiac wheels with Coker Redline tires. What an absolute gorgeous car. Now, I drove this car. I bought this car. The car came out of Alabama. I drove this car. Me and my family took this car out last weekend. I drove it when I was down in Alabama. And as well as my family and I took it out last Sunday and put 250 miles on this car. This is a very nice, clean, solid car. The paint body on this car are very, very nice. Undercarriage is super solid. And you want to talk about a great running and driving car. This thing runs and drives amazing. It was originally a 389 car. Automatic transmission. Here's all the documentation with it. Got the PHS docs, a bunch of invoices, receipts dating back 10, 15 years. See how nice it is inside the trunk. There's the boot for it. Spare tire with a red line on it. Jack instructions. Like I said, we drove this baby and had the top down, cruising just all the back roads in Iowa and Illinois, just all over the place. Beautiful dashboard, and the wood trim is beautiful. Wooden steering wheel is beautiful. Super, super solid car. All the seat belts are in the car. My kids were able to buckle up in the back seat. Door gaps, panel fitment, very, very nice. All original quarter panels, it appears, on the car. The chrome, stainless, and bright work are in very nice shape on the car as well. Maybe just a little bit of, you can see a couple little fine pits on the door handle. Just a nice, honest car. 94,000 miles, 94,628 miles shown on the dash. Dash lights work, turn signals work, clock works. Radio works, blower motor works. Horn ain't working. I thought the horn was working, but wipers. Tail lights, plate light, right turn signal. Put the brights on here and turn the other signal on so you can see that one. Look at the jams. See how nice the jams are on it. The guy told me that all the seats, carpet, door panels, everything was in the inside was original, so I'd say that's pretty amazing shape for being all original. Nice, clean, straight. All 4 headlights. Fixed the horn, and I think we're good to go. Pretty neat though. PHS documentation shows that it's a real Mareno Red car with black interior, so all that is correct. It does still have the, I'm gonna shut it off here so I don't get gassed up. It does still have the original smog pump on the engine. The belt's not on it. I'm sure if you want to put the belt back on it, you put the belt back on it. It's not locked up or anything. I was just tempted to take it off, but I guess that's somebody else's choice if you want to take it off or put a belt on it, but it does spin. It does spin freely. So just a gorgeous, gorgeous 66 Pontiac GTO convertible. My wife said, we should keep this in the garage. I said, well, if I had more room in the garage, we would shove it in the garage and keep it, because the kids sure like driving around in a convertible. So check out the pictures of the car. Obviously, you can watch this video. Check out the pictures though, and I will put pictures of the undercarriage on this car here in just a little while as well. Dome lights all work in the car. We had it down in Alabama and Tennessee. Just me and my brother-in-law, we drove this car everywhere, up through the mountains, and it was just an absolute awesome, awesome ride. Down there with the top down, going through the mountains, the river on both sides. It was just beautiful. Around in here with you quick. It really just, you know, the car looks extremely appropriate. Looked like it would have looked when it rolled off the assembly line in 1966 with the right wheels and the right tires. And 6.5-liter Pontiac GTO. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. And have yourself a beautiful goat. I still have this car 2 weekends from now, I think I'll drive it up to Wisconsin and go on a fall leaf run with this car. I always like doing that, especially with the convertible. As long as the weather's, 65 to 75 degrees, it's just awesome. Sometimes you just put on a sweatshirt and just go. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, www.kinionauto.com, Kinion auto.com. Kinion Classic Cars, thanks for watching my YouTube videos. Thanks for all my subscribers who already have subscribed. And if you have not subscribed, just hit that red subscribe button and join us. That way you can view all of our collector cars. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll be back at you with another couple great collector cars, so stay tuned.